Hello my dear ones, how are you all? Fine? Very good. You all have to remain very healthy, fine and very good children. Yes. And children, today we are not going to write anything and we are going to learn today one new subject, and which it is? It is reading lesson 1. So we are going to start learning how to read. Yes. So for that, this is your Phonophone book. Which book it is? Phonophone book. And in this book, we will learn lesson number 1. Okay, so this is your lesson number 1, and in this lesson we will read the phonic words given here and the sentences given on the next page. So all of you take out your Phonophone book and get ready to read. So now in this lesson some words are given. We will read those words. You already know all the alphabets from A to Z, and now we will practice to read the words. First word given here is A-T, at. So you have to put your finger on that word and read. Which word it is? A-T, at. A-T, at. And the next word? Bat. Which picture it is? Bat. And what is the spelling of bat? B-A-T, bat. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Now the next word, which it is? It is a picture of a cat. So it is the spelling of cat. And the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. And next you can see a picture here of a fat boy. Yes, so the spelling of fat is F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. Now, next picture you can see here, it is a hat. We wear a hat on our head. So, what is the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. And next, this is a mat. Which picture it is? Mat. And the spelling of mat is M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. We'll move ahead. We'll see the next words and learn them. And the next word is pat. P-A-T, pat. Pat means to pat a person. Here you can see a father patting a child on its back. This is called patting. So P-A-T, pat. Next word, rat. This is a picture of a rat. And what is the spelling of rat? R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Next word is sat. The past tense of sit is sat, and the spelling of sat is S-A-T, sat. S-A-T, sat. Now next picture you can see what it is. It is a wooden tub and it is called a vat. And the spelling of vat is V-A-T, vat. V-A-T, vat. Now next line is of the words related to sound app. This is app. A-P, app. A-P, app. Then which picture you can see here? It is a cap. So C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Next, you can see children in this picture, two mountains are there and the space between the two mountains is called gap. And the spelling of gap is G-A-P, gap. Here you can see the space. It is a gap between two mountains. Spelling of gap G-A-P, gap. G-A-P, gap. Next you can see here it is a picture of a girl. She is a Japanese girl and the short form of Japanese is Jap. J-A-P, Jap. J-A-P, Jap. J-A-P, Jap. Next you can see it is a lap. Yes, it is a lap. Small kids sit on their mother's lap. And the spelling of lap is L-A-P, lap. L-A-P, lap. Our next word is, what you can see here, it is the picture of the map of our country. Yes, so it is a map. M-A-P, map. Map of India, our country. M-A-P, map. Next you can see in this picture a girl is sleeping. So when we sleep for a short time it is called nap. And the spelling of nap is N-A-P, nap. Nap is a short sleep. Short time sleep is nap. N-A-P, nap. Next, which picture it is? You can see here a boy singing. Yes, and the continuous singing, nowadays it is called rap. The continuous singing is called rap. You can see a boy singing here. It is rap. R-A-P, rap. R-A-P, rap. We'll move ahead. Next word is sap. S-A-P, sap. S-A-P, sap. And the next word is, you can see a picture here. Which picture it is? Tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. and on the next page some 2-letter words are given. They are IT, it, IS is, ON, on. IT, it, IS is, ON, on. Now we will learn the sentences. Sentences are given on the next page. So how you have to read? See how Miss is reading. You all know the alphabets, you all know the words. Now we'll read the sentences. So first sentence of lesson number 1 is a FAT, fat, CAT, cat. And now together you all have to say a fat cat. A FAT, fat, CAT, cat. A is pronounced as a. So what is the sentence here? A fat cat. You can see here a cat, and how is the cat? Fat. A fat cat. Our next sentence is, you can see here a picture of a cat. Where is the cat? Yes, the cat is on a mat. This blue color is mat. It is a mat. So the next sentence is a CAT, cat, SAT, sat, ON, on, a MAT, mat. So now we'll say together, a cat sat on a mat. Again we'll repeat, a CAT, cat, SAT, sat, ON, on, a MAT, mat. A cat sat on a mat. A cat sat on a mat. Yes, children, I hope you all are listening and learning properly. We'll move ahead. Now here you can see cat. It is fat. So IT, it, IS is, a FAT, fat, CAT, cat. It is a fat cat. Again, IT, it, IS is, a FAT, fat, CAT, cat. It is a fat cat. Now next sentence you can see here, a girl and a cat here. She is a girl, and what she is saying? She is saying that it is my cat. So our next sentence is IT, it, IS is, MY, my, CAT, cat. So how we will read this sentence together? It is my cat. It is my cat. Okay? Children, I hope you all understood how you all have to read the words and sentences. So you all know reading is the key to learning. If you will read, you will learn more and more. So practice reading properly. So we'll meet in next session. Till then, bye.